Best Upwork promo codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you through the best websites where you can find Upwork promo codes. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, the first website is simplycodes.com. Here, you can tap on the search icon and search for Upwork. As you can see, there are different promo codes that you can get. So for this, tap on the Get Code option. Now, as you can see, with this Upwork promo code, you will get 20% off on selected items. So if you want this, tap on the copy option, then tap on shop at Upwork, and you can simply use this promo code. Another website is upwork.worththepenny.com. Here as well, you have different promo codes that you can use. So simply find the promo code that you want to use, then go ahead and tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the copy option over here, then head over to Upwork's official website and you can simply use this promo code there. So this is another website where you can get the best promo codes. Another website is upwork.valuecom.com. In this website as well, there are different promo codes that you can use. So go ahead and tap on the get code option here, then tap on the copy option. Now you can use this promo code on Upwork, and these are some of the websites that you can use to get best Upwork promo codes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.